Hi, this is just a little bit about how we find calculators, a graphing calculator, as well as a Desmos calculator on your iPad. The easiest thing to do where both of them are located is, if you'll notice here on the screen, sort of in the middle, the orange one that says MCA calculator. Now, when you click on that, it's gonna take a step or two to get what you want. So if you go MCA calculator, let's open that up. It says here, Minnesota Assessment Hub. You're gonna go to the 3 horizontal bars in the upper right, and you'll get a little drop-down menu. We wanna go to resources and training. So I'm gonna click on that, and I have another drop-down menu. It says a bunch of different things, but we want the one near the bottom there that says student tools and support. Okay, and here is where your calculators are located. It says standalone calculators. If you open that up, there you'll see a variety of calculators that you can pull up. We want the grades 8 and 11 mathematics MCA graphing calculators. So then it'll pull up this screen and you just press start. It looks like you're starting a test. You are not. So now you have at the top of your screen, you have 2 calculator buttons. If you click on the one in the middle, you'll get the TI-84, which is the same one we use in class if you ever need that calculator. Now you can also pull this up on the internet. If you go to TI-84 graphing calculator, if you Google that, you'll get a calculator that comes up. The only problem with that is there's a bunch of ads that pop up and they often get in the way, and it's kind of a hassle. So this is a lot better and just maybe not in your way. Now, if you want the TI-84, there it is. But sometimes there's going to be some situations where you want to graph something, and then this Desmos graphing calculator comes up. Let's say you want to graph y equals x squared. And there's the function. I'm going to pull this keyboard down. And so I have that. And then I can zoom in. I can make this a little bit bigger by dragging the corner. So drag this corner, make it a little bit bigger. And I can take a look. The reason this is kind of nice is because I can find some values pretty quickly and see where they are. So sometimes that's a little bit better than the graphing calculator that you have on the TI-84. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for. But that's where you can find things pretty easily. Hope that helps.